Mountains are more than just towering giants. They are majestic landscapes that captivate our imagination. These natural wonders offer breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. They beckon adventurers and nature lovers alike. Mountains are ecosystems teeming with life. From vibrant wildflowers that paint the slopes with color, to rushing streams that carve through the valleys, every element plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Wildlife thrives in these diverse habitats. Every mountain range has its unique charm. The rugged peaks of the Rockies challenge the adventurous spirit, while the serene valleys of the Himalayas offer a peaceful retreat. Each range invites exploration and provides a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Spending the night in the mountains is an unforgettable experience. Imagine the crackling of a campfire, the starry sky above, and the comforting embrace of nature all around you. It's a profound reminder of our deep connection to the earth and its wonders. Traveling through mountains is more than a journey. It's an opportunity to reconnect with nature. Whether exploring their ecosystems or finding peace in their solitude, mountains offer a unique escape that rejuvenates the soul.